My name is Dante. I lead a skunkworks team at reddit.com, and today I'm going to be showing you voice interaction prototyping on Adobe XD. It's really cool. So I need an app that helps me remember names, it helps me remember numbers on the fly, and it should be super discreet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this component here. I'm gonna create this interaction by dragging this pick whip here and saying, okay, I want an interaction going from screen A to screen B, and in this case, this is my screen B. Now, if I go up here to the interaction window, you see my triggers and I have all of my usual suspects, tap and drag, but there's this one down here called voice. And this one down here called voice is really powerful. So it's asking me to enter a command here that will take me from this screen to this screen. Now this app has to be super discreet, so we'll say, hi mom, I can't talk right now. I'm with Tina. And so what this is gonna do is XD is going to start listening for this specific phrase and it will say the name Tina. Now normally I'd have to create an entirely new set of screens if I wanted this interaction to do anything else. But this new version of XD lets you create other interactions off of the same component. So I'll just tap that same component. I'll drag the pick whip down to my other interaction, and I'll just define the interaction straight from the interaction window. So this is gonna be a voice command also. This is gonna help me remember a number. And here we still have to be discreet and sneaky. So we're gonna say, sorry, you have the wrong number. This is, and then it will listen to the number that we're trying to save. So that's it. I've created this app now that's gonna help me remember names and numbers, and let's test it out. Hi mom, I can't talk right now. I'm with Tina. Bam, it saved the name Tina, and so I can go back to that name again. But now let's go back to that same screen. I'm sorry, you have the wrong number. This is 9522. Bang, and so now it's saved my number. Now this is two sort of complicated interactions coming off of the same component, and we've made it in what? 43 seconds. That's crazy for someone who has to sort of build these ideas out really quickly to see if they work or if they don't work. It's the perfect tool.